couple shots and show you how this whole thing gets installed. It's pretty quick. It's not too bad. Let's take a peek. This is the bubbler's pot. What we have is top fills up with water. We reduce it back down to 1.5 inches. This 1.5 inches will go inside the wall. It'll drop the water inside the wall, come out, and naturally go back down to the sub pump. And before we put that in the wall, this piece of dimple will slide right over top of it, so that way we don't have any stone going back inside of the wall. Okay, we're back down inside the egress window, or inside the well, and there's our window. There's our drain. Now that pipe that you've seen is all buried underneath the ground. That pipe is going through the wall, through the webbing, back down, just like we talked about, back down in the wall, then out of the perimeter weep holes into the interior drainage system. Now, a lot of guys, they don't like doing this because they don't have any access ports. They don't have access ports far enough away from the wall. It's different when you have grate drain. It's so much easier to work with inside of a basement. This is how we're able to do something like this. This is why we are the basement specialists as far as waterproofing, egress windows, drainage, remodeling, anything basement related. That's what we do. So from there, that wraps it up. Any questions, just feel free to give us a call. Talk to you later, guys.